How to restore data from SharePoint server database file. Here we have solution. Aryson SharePoint server recovery software, highly capable to repair and restore inaccessible data from corrupted MDF file. Let's see uncommon features of software. Repair SharePoint database saved with MDF extension. Standard and advanced recovery modes. Recovery of deleted records and advanced deleted records. Smart tree structure preview of file content before saving them. The software compatible with all Microsoft Windows OS. If you are using any versions of Windows mentioned here, then please launch the software as run as administrator. Now let's know how to work on the software. Click on Open button, and select Recovery option according to your need. Now click on Browse button to select your corrupt SharePoint server MDF file which you want to recover. And select the recovery mode. Select manually from the given options, that is, Show Deleted Records, or Show Advanced Deleted Records. And press OK to continue. Scanning process gets complete in few time. You will get a complete preview and also see the particular folder details. Now go to Save option, and new pop-up window will appear. Select Saving Mode. There you have two options. Here we select SQL Server Compatible Script. Select the path of the file where want to save the SQL Server script. Choose Radio button, either select to save the file with schema and date, or export it only with schema. Click on the button to save maximum length of column. Press OK to continue. Recovered data gets saved in script. Press OK. Close the application. Log on to given product page for more details. For query, to contact with us. Thanks for watching video.